I got off the call. Perfect timing. I'm big bitch.
Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Portage County in northeastern Ohio, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Euclid near Parma to 7 miles south of Grafton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Warren, Ravenna, Kent, Niles, Talmadge, Streetsboro, Hubbard, Cortland, Newton Falls, Lordstown, Lawrenceville, Kingsman, North Bloomfield, Manaway, West Farmington, Vienna Center, Hilltop, Maplewood Park, Bristolville, and Lovettsburg. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Ow!
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Possible tornado.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central
Giaga,
in a
like-
sturdy structure. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across the Cleveland metro. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Portage, and Trumbull.
There's another tornado warning left. That means there's another tornado left.
This is No Weather Radio, WWG.